Hey guys, Steve Welch here. I have another product that I find very, very interesting that was sent to me. It's the Airdog, and it's a car air purifier. It's kind of interesting, right? So what does it do? What is it? I can tell you right now, it's extremely heavy, right? But if we kind of take a look on the inside here, you can see a little bit of what is on here. So you've got a looks like a little strap that comes here with it. You've got obviously a cord for powering it, of course, and then you've got your machine here, right? And actually it looks like your cord's probably in here. So but we'll unpack it here, we'll take a look at it, and we'll see what we think. So it's kind of 12 volt here, and then this one, actually this one's a USB, so looks like you can power it either way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at it here. User's guide's in here, and we're going to take a look at this and see what we think about this Airdog air purifier. Let's plug it in, let's see how loud it is, see if it smells any different out of the purifier here. All right, so I plugged it in here. I got the vehicle running. It's very, very light when it for the sound. See if you can kind of hear it here. About the same amount of noise as I'm hearing from my truck, so it doesn't have a lot there. It feels like it sucks in from the back and pushes out from the front, which would make sense. You've got some rubber grips on the bottom of it, so that looks like it's good too. Looks like there's a couple of little fans in here, so that looks like how it's actually blowing through, but smells new. That's kind of the easiest way to say what the smell is. Plugged it in, the plug is right there. It sinks in pretty good, so if you need to set it somewhere, you could probably, you know, depending on, you know, how your dash is and stuff like that, you could probably get away with, you know, putting it somewhere on your dash, putting it probably on the floor in the back seat, something along those lines. So it's just meant apparently to clean some air for you, and then it's got it says Silicon Valley Air Expert, so it's got a certification. It's an Airdog. Let's take a little bit more of a deep dive into what this thing is. Why not, right? So on the inside, I've just pulled this cover off the back, right? And on the inside, there's this little, I mean, I'm sure it's charged, probably grabs up the particles and that. And it looks like it's washable, it's metal. But there's not a filter or anything that is in here. So if you kind of look, you can see right through to the fans on the inside in here, right? And kind of take a look. So you're not having to change a bunch of filters or anything like that, but it should get rid of some smells for you. If you're a smoker, I would definitely encourage getting one of these, because people don't realize how much of the value of their car goes down when they smoke, and it's your right to smoke, and I was a smoker before, and I understand all of that completely, but you definitely have the right to smoke, but realize you're costing yourself money, both for the cigarettes and for how your car smells. So if you can make anything that would make that just a little bit better, probably do that. So certain smells that you might get in your car, stuff like that, but you probably take out your particulates. Now keep in mind, you do have a cabin air filter in your car, so anything that you can do that helps that even more, especially if you have breathing issues, stuff like that. I mean, I wouldn't see a bad thing to helping that a little more. By the way, I put that back in there so you can take a look at how that looks on the inside of the purifier there. It just went straight back in, so not a huge deal there. But it also had a light that is right there that'll turn on when it's time to clean it, so it can tell you when you're needing to clean it. So looks like it's very, very easy to do. Just, you know, put it in there, clean it, and there you go. So yeah, just tell me what you guys think. If any of you guys get this, I'll put a link in my description there so you guys can get you one. Like I said, I'd probably put it on a back seat or something like that, or maybe on a floorboard, and just let the thing run and see if it if it helps or not. But let me know what you guys think. Definitely put your comment down there. Steve Welch, happy to bring you another product review of the Airdog. I'm gonna leave it in my old car, and the old car has a bit of a musty smell in it, and watch how it works on that, and I'll report back to you. I'm gonna give it some time to work in that, but we'll see what that is. New truck, still has new truck smell. Not really having to fight with that too much, but the old 200,000 mile RAV4, I'm gonna throw it in there, and watch the comments and the description, and I'll pin a comment after I've done that and tell you guys what I think. So but looks good. Like that you don't have to change a filter, so that's definitely a good thing. But yeah, Steve Welch, you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.